We started out by using the Radford University Library database to find our articles. We used different terms such as pre-K through 12, suspension, behavior, and meditation to find different articles that fit our criteria. We only used scholarly peer-reviewed articles. We came up with around 1,195 articles to begin with. We then realized a content analysis was already done on mindfulness and meditation up until 2015. So we changed our articles to only be written from 2015 to present time. That gave us around 704 articles. We decided to add in student outcomes in our search term, which gave us 56 articles. We then started to read each one to see which ones fit our criteria and used mindfulness and meditation as an independent variable. That left us with around 16 articles, but after further reading, some still didn't fit our final criteria because of not being used in grades pre-K through 12, not being an intervention study, or other reasons. This left us with a final articles of 9 that met all our criteria.